I have tips to increase your metabolism to lose weight. Metabolism have more effect on our body weight. For example, metabolism is the one makes your friend be less weight even though he or she eat more than you, and you are being fat even though you eat less than him. First we all have to understand what is metabolism, so we can understand how to increase them. Every cell in our body use food we eat and oxygen we breathe into energy by mitochondria present in them. The energy converted is used for cells to function. If they function properly only we can live properly, and there are series of enzymes and mechanisms involved in making this process of metabolism to work without any issue. Average 25-year female's basal metabolic rate is 1,586.5 calories per day. Basal metabolic rate, which is otherwise called as BMR, is how much energy do our body need to live and function to live, in other words necessary calories needed to live. Mainly, before going into tips that I have for you, remember that never try to reduce weight without workout, because combination of both workout and increasing metabolism help to reduce weight quicker and to achieve your goal. Only metabolism is not that much effective to reduce weight as you think. Let's start from high-intensity interval training, which is otherwise called as HIIT. This how means you do any cardiac exercise fast for few seconds or minutes, then doing same exercise lightly for few seconds, then again harder, repeat the same cycle. For example, running in treadmill at speed of 0.9 km per hour for 30 seconds or 1 minute, and then walking at 3 or 2 km per hour for 1 or 2 minutes, then again repeating same process again like heavy and then turning into light, heavy, light. Do it for 30 minutes. This would boost our body metabolism by process called excess post-oxygen consumption, which makes our cells to consume more oxygen after we finish our workout, to repair or recover from hard strained exercise. Remember I said beginning we need oxygen and food to make energy, build muscle. Go to gym and build muscles, because muscle cell in our body, expend more energy, which is 5 calories per muscle pound. So, if you have more muscle than fat, then you're going to boost your metabolism because pound of fat burn only 2 calories. So grow your muscle by doing exercise to boost metabolism. Eat protein. Protein foods have thermogenic effect. The thermogenic effect means process of breaking, absorbing, storage of food need more energy than normal BMR. The protein meals are hard to digest, that it is too hard for our body to break down it. Usually all food we eat are broken down very tiny and then absorbed by our body, which the breaking down scientific name is digestion. So our body need high energy to break down protein diet food than other kinds of foods like carbohydrate or fat. So our body will increase energy to digest protein, which is type of increasing metabolism. Eat small meals like 5 or 6 times a day. Divide your daily calorie intake into small foods. Never think eating many number of meals reduce weight. So many people eat tasty high-calorie meals many times to reduce weight, but they end up gaining twice than now they are. So eat foods with rich in nutrition but in less calories. If you are following a diet plan, your advisor or trainer must make a plan by dividing meals many numbers per day. For example, for 1,500 calories, you should divide your meal 300 calories for 5 times, which total per day makes 1,500 calories. It's just an example. You can increase your calories during meal time by decreasing calories during snacks. The formula is just eat total amount of 1,500 calories per day, by dividing them as small meals in a day. So, find your basal metabolic rate number and divide meals according to it. Don't worry, in description there is link to find your BMR. The reason to divide meal because when we eat, our blood glucose level will rise, and after few minutes again glucose level gets down. Low glucose make our body produce hormones to maintain our body, which those hormones affect metabolism, by slowing metabolism, but by eating many times, our body glucose level will be maintained, so your body metabolism also will be boosted. If you're a tea lover, I have a great news for you to increase your metabolism by drinking just tea. Yes, drinking green tea have found to increase metabolism, which play major roles in burning fat in body and makes us to increase our basic metabolic rate. But remember, drinking 3 to 5 cups only found to have effect. But if you're going for workout regularly and diet, I recommend 2 cups would also help, but sticking to 3 to 5 cups for benefits. Drinking water. The most cheapest way to increase metabolism rate is drinking water. Studies have shown drinking water do help to increase metabolic rate by thermogenic effect. Even studies have explained drinking water do reduce cravings, which helps us to eat less. Drinking more than 17 ounces of water is recommended for boosting metabolism. That's it guys, the 6 tips to increase your metabolism to lose weight. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.